Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can forward emails into Outlook. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Outlook application on your phone. After opening the Outlook, just simply select the email that you want to forward and open that. After opening the email, you will get so many options. Here, you just simply have to click on these three dots in order to forward the email. Just simply click into that. After that, scroll down until you find the option to forward the email. Now, click on this forward email option. After clicking there, just simply select the recipient into this to section. After selecting the recipient, just simply click on this blue send button. And after clicking into that, your mail will successfully be forwarded into your Outlook. By following these very easy steps, you can easily forward any emails into Outlook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss any updates. Thank you for watching the video.